Hello students, lecture 72. In this lecture we will take three questions. First question is, what is the importance of manufacturing industries? Second is, what is the contribution of industry in national economy? And third, what are the factors affecting the ideal location of an industry? So first question is, what is the importance of manufacturing industries? Industries, first point can be given as industries modernize agriculture and reduce heavy dependence of people on agricultural income by providing them jobs in secondary and tertiary sectors. Second point, industries development is a precondition for removing of unemployment and poverty from the country. It also helps in bringing down the regional disparity by establishing industries in tribal and backward areas. Third point can be given is industries enhance foreign export and currency, which is much needed in international trade. Fourth point can be given, our prosperity economic development lies in increasing and diversifying its manufacturing industries as quickly as possible. Next is, agriculture and industries are not separate from each other. They go side by side. As agriculture produces raw materials, on the other hand, industries make agricultural tools for better agriculture. And last point in this question is, in the present day world of fast globalization, our industries need to be more efficient and competitive. Self sufficiency alone is not enough. Quality of goods manufactured must be of international level and competition so that our goods and products may compete in the international market. So this is the importance of manufacturing industries. Next question is, what is the contribution of industry in national economy or the GDP? First point in this question is, during last 20 years the share of manufacturing sector has been stable at 17% of GDP out of total 27% desired industrial GDP share. So it includes 10% for mining, quarrying and gas, natural gas, etc. Second point, the share is much lower in comparison to some East Asian countries where it is 25 to 35%, and growth rate in manufacturing over the last 10 years has been 10% per annum against a 12% desired growth rate. Next point in this regard is, since 2003 manufacturing is once again growing at the rate of 9 to 10% per annum. And next point, that is fourth point, with a proper policy of the government the manufacturing can achieve its target over the next 10 years. National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council NMCC has been set up for this purpose. So this is what is the importance of agriculture in Indian economy. Next question of this video lecture is, what are the factors affecting the ideal location of an industry? Factors affecting the ideal location of an industry, or we can say where an industry must be located. Industrial locations are complex in nature. They are influenced by availability of raw material, labor, capital, power supply, nearness to markets, and it is very difficult to find all these facilities available at one place. Another thing for this question is, manufacturing activities start to locate at the most suitable place where most of the resources available or can be arranged at low rates. See, all these things can be managed anywhere, but if low rate, at a cheap rate, That is the most ideal or suitable condition for locating an industry. The third point in this question can be given as after an industrial activity starts, urbanization follows. Cities and towns starts growing nearby the industry. Sometimes industries are located in or near the cities, already established cities or towns. So industrialization and urbanization go hand in hand, means they develop side by side. Cities provides markets and provide different kind of services such as banking, insurance, transport, labor and consumer markets. The condition for ideal location. Many industries tend to come together to make use of advantages offered by urban centers, that is known as agglomeration economies. It is important for 1 mark also, agglomeration economies, that when many industries tend to come together to make use of advantages offered by urban centers, so that is called agglomeration economy. And gradually a large industrial agglomeration take place, means more number of industries concentrate in those areas and they become the main attraction, main place where industries are set. And the last point in this regard is in pre-independence period, most manufacturing units were located in places from the point of view of overseas trade, where trade was because in during before independence period the main trade transport was the sea trade. So most of the industries were locating near the seaports like Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. And consequently these developed after independence in some other pockets of the industrial urban centers. So that's all from this lecture and video lecture. So I hope all these are helping you to understand and learn better way. Thank you very much. Keep on watching and reading.